Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video of me playing Subway Surfers. Hope you guys enjoy this. And just exit out. And let's play! If you hear noises in the background, it's just my friend playing also. Go check out her channel. She will be commenting on my videos, and it will send you straight to the link. Well, if you click on her username. Oh, I got caught, guys. So let's go into another round. I'm going to be doing 3 rounds, so. And thumbs up this video if we get 5 or 4 likes. I will download Minecraft and I will play Minecraft for you guys. And I will start a series. Okay, so this is moving on to my last round. So this is our last run, so yeah. Okay guys, so that is the end of my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to go check out my friend's channel. And I will be doing a face reveal at 10 subscribers. Go check out my other video, my slime collection video. And I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.